Hey guys, welcome back to another PC build in our big PC build series. Today's build is the Godzilla build. No, I'm just kidding. We are going to use him in the build, but it's actually like our Cooler Master build. So the case in the way back here is the Cooler Master Cosmos 2 25th anniversary, and it's like a really rare case, hard to find these days. I don't know how much they're going for, if you can even find one, but probably over $1,000. We got this one from Cooler Master many years ago, and I just never want to get rid of it because I like it. So the whole theme is going to pretty much be as much Cooler Master stuff as possible. And it's not sponsored by Cooler Master. We do a lot of business with Cooler Master. If any people from Cooler Master are like, hey, that's Alex, we should actually sponsor him for another video, let us know. You've got our information. So anyway, it's Cooler Master and it's like silver. So that's kind of why we had the silver Godzilla. But I just want to quickly mention, I kind of already said this a little bit, but this is like a build series video. So this is part of a series of videos. There should be a playlist if you want to see more. And I think we're like on build 8 or 9. I'm already losing count because we've done so many. But I'm going to name them off real quick. We have the Gigabyte Special Edition. We have the ASUS and ASUS Gundam Zaku build. So that was number 2. We have the first person shooter build. We have the ROG Eye of Faith build. We have the Demon Slayer build, that's 5. We have the Cougar Conquer build, that's 6. We have the ROG Hyperion build, 7. And the ASUS Evangelion build, that's 8. So this is number 9. I actually guessed almost right. So yeah, go check out those other videos if you think this is cool. I just want to mention, the amount of time that we're putting into these videos is like ridiculous. And all this time we could be doing other things that just like, we're here to work, we're here, you know, to make money. Basically, it's a business, just like you guys go to work. Why you go to work? You go to work to make money. So we are hopefully not wasting our time making these videos and dumping all this time into it, because we could be doing other things instead. Like Derek behind the camera could be building a computer that we put up for sale that sells online. But instead we're making this video. We're really hoping that we can grow our YouTube channel, and we need you guys to help by showing some support, doing the typical, I know it's like stereotypical now, but like and subscribe, write some comments. It helps us out if you want to see this. If you want to see more stuff like this, we kind of need your help, because if we make all these videos and put like 2 months of work into all this stuff and then like we get 100 views, you know, we probably just won't do it ever again. But if we get a lot of people showing up and saying they like it, then yeah, we're going to want to keep doing more, because we can maybe justify the time we put into it. Anyway, I do also want to mention we are trying to get more subscribers, as I said, so we're also doing a giveaway to try to help people get more active with our YouTube channel and our company in general. So if you are interested in winning a free gaming computer, you don't have to pay anything to enter. There's a link in the description with directions on how to do that. And it's not this gaming computer, it's just a gaming computer. If you want the specs and all that stuff, check out the link in the description. We only have 1,000 subscribers right now on our channel, so your chances of winning are a lot better than most other giveaways. Anyway, let's talk about the build here. We've got a lot of parts that we need to go over. This is going to be a pretty nice gaming system, and we have a lot of these systems in this room. We'll start with like, this is what we're going to do, and as time goes by, we evolve and we upgrade and we change little parts to make it better. And since this is the number 9, we've already changed a bunch of the parts to different parts since it's just been sitting here, not even started. So I already mentioned Cooler Master 25th anniversary case. The glass for this, by the way, is under the desk, so it's here. It's not missing. We have the Ryujin. We have the ROG THOR 850 watt power supply. So this has like RGB and a screen on it. It's gonna look really cool. The side panel for this case is tinted. So my idea is I want as much RGB, doesn't have to be different color, just lights. I want a lot of like lights popping through that tinted glass, so it's like, wow, what's going on in there? I hope that makes sense, but that's my idea. So even the power supply has RGB. Moving on, we have one of these Cooler Master vertical graphics card folder kits that goes with the case. And the video card we're going to be using is the RX 6900 XT liquid cooled edition. These are actually pretty rare, and they happen to have this big silver piece in the middle that's going to match the case really well. And it's a great card, so it's a perfect choice. Just moving along, we have a Cooler Master GS750 headset stand. And we need to get a Cooler Master headset. So by the time this video is over and you're watching this video, we should have a Cooler Master headset that came from Amazon. So it's just not here on the desk right now, but it'll be here in this video. We have a Cooler Master Master Mouse MM830 mouse. And we have the, I believe this is the SK720, yeah, SK720 keyboard from Cooler Master. And then moving over to the more juicy details, Godzilla. Oh, I'm just kidding. We have a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, so that's pretty much the best gaming processor on the market, bang for the buck. We have 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR5 RAM, which is probably 5600 megahertz. We have the ASUS Prime X670-P motherboard. We have the Lian Strimer 24-pin and triple 8-pin for the video card. And then we have a ROG Ryujin 2 360 ARGB water cooler. All right, so for you eagle-eyed viewers out there, you notice that there are a couple brown boxes and the rest of the stuff is like shinier, new-looking boxes. So I just want to mention that we have a really good relationship. We do have a relationship with Cooler Master too, so we get a lot of their stuff, but we also have a good relationship with ASUS. And so this Ryujin 2, for instance, this is a factory refurbished unit. We got it straight from ASUS. We even have these, we didn't get just one, we buy like pallets of their factory refurbished stuff and we sell it on our eBay store. eBay, Newegg, and Amazon. So if you're looking for a better price on something like an ASUS Ryujin or a THOR power supply, other stuff we do, video cards, motherboards, cases, power supplies, keyboards, mice, headsets, mouse pads, like all sorts of factory refurb ASUS stuff. Quality's really good, very low failure rate. In my opinion, it's probably lower than brand new failure rate, just to be honest with you. So I just want to mention that. Check out our store if you want to support us. And yeah, now that we've covered all of the parts, Derek, the cameraman behind the camera, he's going to switch with me. He's going to build this PC. I'm going to record him, and you're going to get a sweet time lapse, and we'll come back with some summary.
Well, on pretty much every video, I have to throw a little snippet of me when I'm editing the video explaining something, and the last 3 videos straight, unfortunately, have been the same problem. We are missing footage that we recorded months ago for this video, and the footage that we're missing is the same footage we're missing on all the builds, which is where we take the motherboard, we install the CPU, the RAM, the SSD, and then we install the motherboard into the case, and for some reason those clips are all gone. And I've mentioned it every time. I was told by some of my employees that still work for me that there was an employee that did work for us at one point who had full access to the camera, and they think that he may have deleted some of the files to make room for other things and didn't talk to anyone about it. So but that's just a conspiracy. Anyway, I just want to apologize. It does kind of make the time lapse not as good, but hopefully the content itself will make up for the missing clips. Thank you. Well, I've got some good news here. We are finishing up the Godzilla build. In fact, it's going to be going live tomorrow, even though we recorded and built most of this months ago. There was one piece of this build that I always really wanted, and it was the MSI, I believe it's SUPRIM, however you want to say that, RTX 3070 Godzilla edition. It's literally a Godzilla video card, and it's extremely hard to get, only sold in Japan, and boom, I got it. And the person that sold this to us, they even gave us like a pack of green tea and wrote us a really nice note and all this stuff. So pretty cool. I'm gonna move that for the moment. And then here's the card. So it was sold as used, but in good condition with the original box. And I'm using one hand because I don't have a tripod right next to me at this moment. There's Godzilla on the box. I'm just gonna scoot this out a little bit more. There we go. Linused it. Pretty sick. Okay, I'm gonna open this box and get the card out, and we're gonna get it in the computer, and we're gonna get you guys a final clip here. Oh, it came with a mouse pad. What? Godzilla mouse pad. Yeah, sorry. I distracted myself. Now that you know what, I gotta open this. Hold on, guys. Well, guys, we got this package from Japan today. Last minute, literally it came here the day before we were gonna put the video out. We were debating about delaying this video and putting it off, and it kind of would have messed up our series a little bit. But boom, Japan shipping comes in. The seller from eBay. This is a good used card. It came with the original box, and we had to pay pretty high even to get a used one. But it's here, and I mean, how do you do a Godzilla themed Cooler Master build without having the Godzilla video card, right? Excellent to do business with them. I'm gonna throw this into the PC and show you guys the final result. All right, the Godzilla Cooler Master PC is finished. It's funny how this started as like the Cooler Master PC and kind of evolved into this Godzilla thing, all by the color of the case and that Godzilla we saw on Amazon. So why don't we go ahead and turn it on? This is probably the best startup of any of the PCs we built in the LAN center. Yeah. So we've got Godzilla on the Ryujin TV. I call it a TV. We've got the Strimer lights, which, sorry, they're a little bit rigged up right now. Not the perfect way they could be, but we ended up, when we had to throw this in last minute, it kind of put us on a time crunch. So we had to move the Godzilla guy. He used to fit very well with the old card. We used to have a Radeon 6900 XT in here. And yeah, this card's just huge, way bigger than that card. And so now we've got him kind of squatting, kind of like he's actually holding the video card up a little bit. And we threw in a back 120mm RGB fan. This case is super tinted, so getting a lot of lights inside was really important to us. And then you can see we end up throwing an AORUS monitor on here. We've got a Cooler Master mouse, Cooler Master keyboard, Cooler Master headset, and Cooler Master RGB headset stand. The one thing that we really forgot to get, sorry, was a Cooler Master monitor. So you know what, Cooler Master, if you guys ever get wind of this build and you like it and you want to do another, you want to do some sort of like collaboration with us with, say, maybe a C700M 30th anniversary edition case and a bunch of Cooler Master parts like the monitor and some other things that we missed, we'd love to do that. We do a lot of business with you guys, so I think it turned out great. I hope you guys like it. And then, oh, forgot to show you the Cooler Master chair we also have here. This is a really nice chair. Colors are awesome, really comfortable, and I could tell you we are pretty big chair aficionados here in this LAN center. I can actually show you guys the room now because you guys have seen all of these videos by now. We have, you know, an IKEA Marcus. We have that Cooler Master chair I just showed you. We have a Secret Lab Titan. We have another Cooler Master chair there, another Cooler Master chair there, ROG Chariot, another ROG Chariot Steelcase Amiya, Secret Lab, whatever that one's, like a Titan or something, and it's the Demon Slayer edition. We have more chairs in the other room. So I would say this is one of the best chairs. Very, very comfortable. Anyway, hope you guys liked it, and we'll shoot you some B-roll.